Hello friends, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you how you can use Tailwind CSS in your React project. So I have a simple React project, so I will show you how you can use Tailwind CSS in your React project. So first of all you have to install Tailwind CSS. Means you have to install the Tailwind CSS in your React project. So what you need to do, simply go to Google and you have to search Tailwind CSS React. Okay, simply search Tailwind CSS React and simply scroll down, and here you can see Tailwind CSS website. Install Tailwind CSS with React, create React app. So simply open this link, and once you open this link, here you can see the step by step guide to use the Tailwind CSS inside your React project. So firstly it is saying create your project, means it is saying to create your React project. So I have already created a React project. You know this, how to create React project. Simply run create React app command to create a React project. Okay, so now second part is install Tailwind CSS. So you need to run the these two commands to install Tailwind CSS inside your React project. So simply copy first command and I will paste it here and simply press enter. Okay, so it will install Tailwind CSS inside in our React project. Okay, so I suggest you first you install Tailwind CSS, and after that installation of Tailwind CSS you start your project, your React project. Okay, otherwise it will not work. You have to restart your React project. Okay, so firstly we are installing Tailwind CSS, then we will start our React project. Okay, so the command is executed. So now run the second command, npx Tailwind CSS init. Okay, so paste it here, press enter. So it will initialize the Tailwind CSS and it will create a file here. Here you will see it has created a file tailwind.config.js. Okay, so now the step third is configuration your template. Okay, so simply it is saying that the copy this code inside tailwind.config.js. so simply copy this and copy this code inside your tailwind.config.js file. Simply remove it and paste this code here. Okay, so that's it. Last one more thing is your fourth step is copy this code inside index.css. means ultimately it is importing the component and you can say Tailwind CSS component inside your React project. So copy this code inside index.css file. Okay, so here it is index.css file. Simply copy this code here. Okay, so it's done now. Simply what we have done, simply I have followed the step number 1 is create your project, and number 2 install Tailwind CSS, number 3 configure your Tailwind path, template path, and number 4 is importing the components, Tailwind component inside your React project. Okay, now you can run. Here you can say step 5 is you can run your React project. Simply type npm start and press enter. So now it will start your React project. Okay, now you can see you are ready to use Tailwind CSS inside your project. So I will show you it is working or not. So we wait. So now you can see the project, our React project is running, but it's showing nothing because we have not written any code inside app.jsx. Okay, so what I will do, simply I will type here, let's say I will remove this div tag and simply type h3 tag, or what I will do, simply remove this. Inside div tag I will type hello world. That's it. Save, and you can see it is showing me hello world. So till now we have installed Tailwind CSS, but we have not used Tailwind CSS in our React project. So now we will use Tailwind CSS and we will see that it's working or not. So simply you can scroll down here and you can use some classes. Here it is showing some class, like there are many classes inside Tailwind CSS that you can use in your elements. Okay, let's say text 3xl. Okay, means this is the text. If you want to increase the size of this text, so you can provide class name text dash 3xl. Okay, so save it and you can see it has increased the size of our font. Okay, means there is classes text 3xl, 2xl, 1xl, 4xl, means the size of the text. Okay, so if you want to let's say bold this text, so simply you can use Tailwind CSS class which is font bold. Save it and you can see it is bold. Now if you want to underline this, so simply you can write underline. Simply save it. Here you can see it is underlined. Okay, so means we are able to use Tailwind CSS in our your project. So now there are so many classes inside Tailwind CSS we can simply use in our component, and that's it. Enjoy. You have successfully installed Tailwind CSS in your React project. So if you are still facing any problem in installing Tailwind CSS in your React project, so simply comment in comment section of the video. I will read each and every comment and try to help you as soon as possible. So that's it for all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care. I will see you in next video.